Do you want to start programming in Java but have no idea where to start? Watch this video, I'll give you everything you need. Right, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is install Java. So let's crack open the browser. And we're just going to Google Oracle Downloads. It'll be this link right here, oracle.com/downloads. Click that. From here, we can see developer downloads. We're going to download Java. Java JDK for developers. And from here, we will choose Windows because, of course, we are on Windows, and we're going to choose the x64 installer. So now that our download is done, let's go to our downloads folder. We're going to run the JDK exe that we just downloaded. Hit yes. Gonna hit next. We don't need to do anything with it right now, but just take note of this path right here. We will be using it in a little bit. Hit next. Should be a fairly quick install for us. Great, so Java is installed, but not exactly configured how we need it. So let's close out of here. From here, we're going to go to our C drive, Program Files, Java, JDK, bin. We're going to click up here, and we're going to copy this path. And now let's go down to the search bar. If we type env, we'll get edit the system environment variables. So let's go here, click environment variables, double click path. We're going to make a new one. And we're going to put our JDK bin right there. And now also while we are here, we can make a new system variable called Java_home in all caps. And we will assign it the variable value of that same path. However, we are going to get rid of bin. Hit OK. Then OK. Close out of this and this. And now just to confirm that our installation was good, let's run command prompt. And if we type Java space version, Java space hyphen version, we will see right here our Java is successfully installed. So now we need an environment to code in, and we are going to download IntelliJ. So let's just look up IntelliJ download. It's going to be this JetBrains website. And from here, we're going to choose the community version and click download. Now that this download finished, let's go back to downloads, and we're going to run the new exe we just downloaded. Gonna hit yes. Hit next. This is fine. Let's create a shortcut. We're going to add bin folder to the path, and we're going to hit next. JetBrains install. So now that the installation is finished, we can just choose that we manually want to reboot later. Hit finish. Let's close out of all of this. We can run IntelliJ now. We do not want to import our settings. So from here, let's click New Project. And from here, we can see that our JDK is up there, so that means it should all be working nice and fine. Let's hit next, next. Let's name this Hello World. So we're just gonna wait for this to all load up. We don't want tips of the day. You might, I don't. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Make this full screen. Right click the SRC folder over here under the project tab. We're gonna do a new Java class. Let's just name this class Hello World. Great, so it's going to give us this public class Hello World snippet of code right here. We don't have to worry about it for now. I'll go into much more detail about it next video. And if we type psvm tab, it'll automatically generate this for us. And once again, I will dive more into this next video. And hit S out and then tab. And from here, click into these parentheses. And we're going to do quotes, and it's going to make 2 pairs for us. And let's just write hello world. So if it's your first time running it, it will have a little download bar right here. It's just downloading a bunch of plugins and stuff. I cropped that out so you don't have to sit there and wait it and watch. So once that's all done, we can build our project and then we can run it. It's going to take a little bit to build. And right there, we can see we wrote our very first program. Of course, you don't have to know what any of this code means up here. Like I said, I will go into much more detail about it in the next video. This was just to get you up on your feet, getting something that works, and being able to output something. So thanks for watching, guys. Tune into the next episode.